Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we will be delving into Exxon, providing you with a more comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 22, 2023, our system has identified Exxon as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.33. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock faced a loss of -4.71%. This means that on average, it experienced a daily loss of -0.47% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, indicating a potential fall in the near future. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected -14.04% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -16.90% and -7.66%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected -2.57% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -4.11% and 17.55%. This suggests a price range of $95.04 to $116.50 after 1 year. Our latest update on Exxon brings you the headline: Exxon stock price down 1.32% on Wednesday. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, the Exxon stock price experienced a decline of 1.32%, going from $100.44 to $99.11. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.42%, reaching a low of $98.34 and a high of $100.72. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 5.12%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 9 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. These factors may indicate a potential risk, which could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, approximately $3.08 billion worth of shares, totaling 31 million shares, were bought and sold. In the last 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Exxon was $126.54, while the lowest was $98.02. As of now, the current price is 21.68%, or $27.43, below the 52-week high of $126.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. In recent news, on Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler upgraded ExxonMobil with an overweight grade and a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade with a hold action. Another update, on Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA upgraded ExxonMobil with a buy grade and an upgrade action. Additionally, on the same day, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade with an initialize action. Lastly, on the same day, Wells Fargo upgraded ExxonMobil with an overweight grade and a hold action. According to analysts, Exxon stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and the price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Exxon signals have been analyzed, and here's what we found. Firstly, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicating a positive trend. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the stock's short-term performance. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a sell signal, painting a more negative outlook. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock sees upward corrections, it may face resistance at the levels of $101.99 and $105.32. Breaking above these levels would trigger buy signals. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -12.31% so far. It's likely to experience further decline until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased during the falling prices, serving as an early warning that warrants closer monitoring of the stock. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you should pay attention to in the stock market. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. This indicator is currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots. The sell signal was generated 34 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal that occurred just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a sell signal that occurred 46 days ago. If we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 43 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and see what it tells us. The short moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 25 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal that occurred 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal that occurred 25 days ago. Remember, if you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Today, the support for Exxon stock is uncertain as there is no significant accumulated volume below its current level. This means that under the right conditions, the stock may experience a significant decline in the coming days. However, it's important to note that Exxon stock generally exhibits controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. This means that the chances of experiencing major fluctuations are minimal. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price difference of $2.38 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 2.42% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.14%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Exxon, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.21. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Exxon stock. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $106.47. If you're considering entering a position but don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. And for those who already hold the stock, this could potentially be a level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could sharply drop. If you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, it's crucial to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you have the necessary expertise. According to multiple analyst sources, Exxon has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 4, 2023, Karen T. McKee, an insider, sold 4,548 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Liam M. Mallon, another insider, sold 7,693 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, John M. Gibbs, an insider, sold 2,076 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Leonard M. Fox, an insider, sold 4,880 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Darren L. Vitale, an insider, sold 1,783 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 30.252. Overall, insiders have purchased 16,590,832 shares and sold 2,311,531 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's crucial to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Exxon currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and falling trend. This indicates that it is likely to continue performing weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Exxon is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, December 7th, we anticipate Exxon to open at a higher price of $0.280 and begin trading at $99.39. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It is always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts with us. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Join the discussion and let us know. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with our latest market insights and trading strategies. We're here to support you in your trading journey. Thank you for choosing Stock Invest. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Remember, your financial success is our priority.